Linking your bank account to Spotify allows for seamless payment for your subscription. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open Spotify app or website. Launch the Spotify app on your device or go to the Spotify website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the account settings, look for the Payment or Billing section. Click on this option to access your current payment methods. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select Bank Account as your preferred payment method and enter the required information, such as your bank account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Review the information you entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Spotify account. Now your bank account is linked to Spotify, making it easy to manage your subscription payments. Enjoy your music.